GT3X is a derivative of our GT3 car, but it is a no-holds-barred version. We don't have to stick to any rules or regulations. Fantastic car to drive in the first place, but when you give it an extra 200 horsepower, it really lifts the car to another level.
We are also in a position now to offer the car to carry passengers, which the GT3 can't do, so it's a revised roll cage installation.
As you can see, we have a lot of aerodynamics on the car. We've got dive planes on the front, which push the car into the ground as well as the obvious rear wing, which also pushes the car into the ground, but what you have to be careful of is to get the balance right.
We've already got a very good GT3 base car. We wanted to make it faster, so more power, more acceleration, better braking, and overall lap times considerably faster than GT3. Obviously the biggest difference is the performance. We've got uprated engine from the standard GT3 engine, which is now pushing out 720 PS up to 750 on a button.
We've got bigger turbos, bigger manifolds, blueprinted cylinder head. Each engine is hand-built, an upgraded cooling system from the GT3 car, which really helps to keep the temperatures down, to keep it in the performance window that you'd want.
And we're very proud of what's been achieved. GT3X uses common suspension with the GT3 car. Suspension, dampers, springs and anti-roll bar combination is designed to optimise the aero performance. And I hope it offers good satisfaction to the customer and a lot of fun.